Good morning from Candidasa. The water temperature about 24-25. As you can see, all around it's a little bit foggy, especially there on the background of the mountains. You can see it's foggy. That means that I'm feeling actually that here it's pretty. The air is cool, so that means because of the water temperature. And the plan is to do some diving because Mola season is on, and it's a time to start hunting some good shots. We'll see how the thing is going. Two dives as always, and that's the plan for the moment. It's a full moon, and Candidasa is a little bit different story if all the current stops here, because we are kind of in the middle between the oceans, then Candidasa is affected by the currents as anywhere else in the world. Full moon, strong currents, no doubt at all. Now it's the time to tell the story, right? So the first of all, Taket. We went to the Taket, tried the Taket. Everybody was suited up already, ready to jump in the water. Anna was the first who jumped in the water, and she got the really big problems to put on the side mount tanks just because simply the current blowed her away immediately. So finally I was holding her and she was putting tanks on. And then it was a problem because we planned to get down by the line, but for Anna it was a big problem with the 2 tanks. The surface pretty big. It was a big problem to get to the line. Finally I jumped in the water, I helped her to get to the line. We started to go down. Finally the guys got with the problem with equalization, and that's it. We finished the dive. Finally the anchor came out. We were already down at some 15 meters waiting for them. We understood, no way. So we came out. Then there was a second attempt. I jumped in the water. I understood I'm barely can hold on a boat because it's just blowing me away. I'm like a flag in the wind. So we decided to change the location. So we went to Mimpang, jump in, water temperature 24 degrees, and there was a little hope of seeing Mola. But finally there was a lot of butterfly fishes. That's the first sign. If there are a lot of butterfly fish, so that means the Mola is also somewhere around. But because the butterfly fishes is cleaning the Mola, eating off all these parasites from the skin, and there was a lot of them. And but unfortunately we didn't see any Mola today. But anyway, amazing dive. There was no current and we were able to dive in the place where you cannot get in mostly in all the situations, but today perfect. All this shallow part where these beautiful corals growing and a lot of fishes living was accessible, and there was no big waves. So finally there is no this surge, no problem at all. Beautiful sight. So but I promised the guys the shark cave, so we went back, and it felt in the beginning that current is little. The boatman said that little current. Finally the current wasn't really that little. Again, same scenario. Anna in the water, she's trying to get down. The line is pretty slippery because it's this synthetic, not a natural, I don't know, but it's a synthetic rope. And she said, I have no power to get down. So finally she said, I'm going out. All right, I went first in the line, and then I'm turning around. Anna is on the line already. So finally we got down. Everybody got a little bit of stress. Someone lost a lot of air exactly for this descent. As long as we got down to some 5 meters, then we let the rope go, and then we started hiding next to the island. I mean the sunken island. No problem at all. to the shark cave. We saw a huge moray eel, a lot of sharks. We discovered all the cave. Finally we came out and just simply drifted all the safety stuff. Beautiful. So yeah, so that's the story of today. Thank you very much for diving with me today. Follow, subscribe, smash that thumbs up button, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.